Hello, good morning, guys. What's up? How you guys doing today? Today, I brought to you this beautiful video for you to enjoy yourself. Please, thank you for being there, for being my fans. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing on YouTube. Thank you for following me up on my Facebook page, and thank you for your share and for your good comments. And for those of us who dey always insult themselves or on the comment section, no be, it's not me you are insulting, you're insulting yourself. When you see comment from me, answer the question. If you don't want to answer it, guy, babe, pass. You understand? Ikafe, no be more say you go drop comment. Those things I am asking you is just to make you laugh, just to keep you company, just to make you feel get one kind joy, and for you to read other people's own and laugh. Jiachuo BP, yota, Jiachuo BP. Stop commenting rubbish. And again, parents abeg, if your child never reach 18 years, make una no give am any Android phone make im dey use dey go Facebook, abeg, because e get some kind things wey you go dey see there wey go dey corrupt that child. And you can't tell me because of that child I shouldn't ask my question. It's unfair oh. It's unfair. If you are the one dropping that kind of comment, I don't like it. Don't drop it again. And if you do it again, I'll block you. Thank you. Don't worry, I will not block you, but don't do it again, okay? You guys are good. Bye. Bye. Expect more questions from Joy.